Howdy again out there, YouTubers. Roger with Gateway Cycles, back with you again. It's a beautiful day in Mount Sterling, Kentucky, and I got a beautiful machine for you. This is a 2012 Yamaha Stryker in red. Nice flames there. Let's do a quick walk around here, guys. Looks like we got a nice added windshield there. Lowered the horn there, if you guys can see that. Good looking rubber up front. Nice big meaty front end. Yamaha makes a really good V-twin they put on their star line of motorcycles. I've owned a few. I've ridden a lot of them. Love them. Belt drive for good smooth power delivery. Good meaty rear tire here. Let's see if we can get a little shot of that. And back to where we started here. Looks like we got some Vance and Hines pipes on there. Yamaha factory sissy bar. Forward controls. Good low seat height. I think that thing's about 26 inches. Notice the front end of it's stuck out there. Kind of a chopper looking bike. Got about a 40-degree rake up there. Gives it a good long wheelbase and good smooth highway operation. And speaking of that Yamaha engine, it puts out about 67.2 horsepower. And what do you say we get around here? I'll give you a shot of the dash and we'll fire this thing up and see what she sounds like. Pop up the dash here. And we got 7633 on the dash. And let's crank it up here. What do you say? Yeah, like I said, guys, the Yamaha engine sounds really good, looks really good. Guys, come on down here to Gateway Cycles and check us out. Or check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles. Don't forget to like our Facebook page. And hit the like and subscribe button at the end of the video. Let us know you like them and we'll keep making them. If you have any comments, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys.